Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by stopping the loop with an anchor. Do this now. Notice the inner voice for 5 to 10 seconds and name it aloud or silently as thought. Once labeled, interrupt the chain with a short physical cue, a breath pattern, a fingertip tap, or shifting posture, because the body resets attention faster than arguing with content. Make sure to pair the interruption with a clear return target, like counting breaths or feeling the feet, so attention moves away from commentary and toward sensation. Once the interruption is reliable, you retrain attention systematically. Move your focus to a neutral sensory detail, breath, the chair under you, or ambient sounds, and hold it for short, structured blocks. Start with 3 2-minute blocks per day, then build to 1 10-minute block. This spacing resets neural habits without overwhelming you. When a thought pops up, quickly reframe it with a single word like worry or plan, then return to the sensory anchor. Because simple labels plus repetition weaken the dialogue's automatic pull. You finish by automating the new pattern so it persists. Schedule 3 reminders or use a wearable haptic cue to prompt anchors throughout the day, and journal 1-line daily noting trigger, response, and outcome to reinforce learning. If the inner dialogue resurfaces intensely, apply a stronger interruption, stand and stretch, splash water on your face, or say a short phrase out loud, then return to the anchor. If progress stalls, reduce session length and increase frequency until automaticity returns.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.